In this tutorial, you will learn a variety of useful SnapPlus tips and tricks to make using the program a little easier. There are a number of places within the program that you can access additional tools, make changes, or access additional information. Starting with the farm screen, there are blue splitter lines which are found throughout SnapPlus. Left-click and hold as you drag the splitter line up or down to readjust. These splitter lines are also found on the soil test screen and nutrient screen. On the field screen, click on the column headers to sort data alphabetically or numeric order. The columns may be adjusted by clicking on the lines separating the column headers. Left-click and hold as you drag the lines to the left or right. Column widths can be restored to the default by clicking on View, Reset Grid Column to Default Widths. Default widths will also be restored each time you open SnapPlus. Multiple cells can be edited at one time. If you see All in the upper left-hand corner of any grid, including the field screen and the soil sampling import box, left-click on this to highlight all cells, which then allows you to change everything in a column by right-clicking on the column header, unless the column cannot be multi-edited, in which case a message will pop up informing you of this. If you want to choose just a few rows, left-click to the left of the row and drag your mouse down while holding down to highlight the desired rows. From the cropping screen, many of the white colored boxes can be clicked to access additional information or make changes. Starting with the row for lime recommendations, if you click in the white box for the chosen year, the lime recommendation box appears. This is where you can see the average pH, the target pH, and any lime recommendations. Applications can be recorded here. Just below the lime recommendations is the MRTN and irrigation row. If you click in the white box with the current MRTN listed, the Edit MRTN information box will appear. SnapPlus defaults to a price ratio of 0.05. You can view the current recommendation, view the MRTN table, and make adjustments to the MRTN with the calculations provided. Below is a row for season notes. Any notes recorded here will appear on any of the nutrient management reports for the specific year. By clicking in the row for the UW recommendation, recommendations can be changed. When a change is made to the recommendation, an explanation will need to be provided. The explanation of adjustments will appear with 3 choices, including tissue test, soil nitrate test, or other. If other is chosen, enter an explanation below. The legume credit can be adjusted by clicking in the box in the first and second year legume credit row. The Edit Legume Credit box will appear. Choose the appropriate stand density and height of alfalfa. Field restrictions can also be added from the cropping screen by clicking on the restriction box at the top of the screen. The rotation wizard has a number of options that many users are not aware of, such as the ability to change the legume credit for multiple fields at one time, or the ability to change a crop, tillage, yield, field notes, and others. Please refer to the Rotation Wizard Part 2 for more information on these time-saving tips. These are a few SnapPlus tips and tricks that may make using the SnapPlus program a little easier.